get that ooh, baby. Big ass, I get that ooh. Big ass, I get that ooh, baby. Big ass, I get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that, get that ooh, get that.
Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know, and this is another week in my life vlog. I'll try to do better than last week. So today I'm heading to a YouTuber's brunch. I'm running a little behind time, so I am getting ready and I'm about to leave now. So if you're interested to see what happens, then keep on watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
All night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't.
Alright, lovely. So we began the day with introductions, getting to know everybody. So here they go.
Oh my god, you are looking so fabulous. And gentlemen, by the way, right here. Yes, don't feel left out. I am Jody. It's alright, man. I am Jody, and thank you, ladies, ever so much for accepting my crazy invite for this brunch. And I hope it just brings us all together in networking, in good spirit of womanhood, friendship, business, new ventures, opportunities, and everything.
Cheers
so,
to that.
I'm going to start around the table, starting with Shen. I'm going to go around. We're just going to introduce ourselves, tell us our YouTube channel, what is the channel all about, and tell us something about yourself, pretty much. Yeah, so let me start. Yes, I said my name is Jody. YouTube Jody, the Island Girl, and I focus mainly on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. And I just want to bring to foster good vibes, good energy, my positive, my full of vibes, and I just hope that we can, get that reciprocated throughout this round. So, yeah.
Right.
Hi, I'm Shinio, and my name on YouTube is No Mediocre 876. I do travel, health, food, and lifestyle. Yeah, and anything else that come up, just try to find the right category to put it in. And what about me? I vow to never be mediocre, hence the name No Mediocre 876.
I'm nervous. Too much camera. What did I leave you for last?
Green. My YouTube platform is One on One with D. Denise Green on all socials. So I pretty much deal with sexual health, sex education, a whole heap of sex toy review, anything sex. Spice up your relationship. You come over there for the excitement.
Yes.
18 and over only. Outside of that, I'm a pharmacist, so don't be surprised if you catch me in a white coat somewhere or on my Instagram. But I really focus on sex. I'm all about sex and I love what I do. So, right. I love sex. I practice what I preach. I also write erotic novels. I have 5 erotic novels as well. So yeah, man, it's all about sex. Book, toys, lingerie, the whole 9 yards. So you can check it out. Denise Green on YouTube. Just subscribe.
Yeah.
SKAY Living. I focus on lifestyle, house stuff, home decor, travel, the whole works. It's just a whole vibe over there. So you guys can check out my channel.
Hi guys, my name is Kimberly. My YouTube handle is @BeingKimK, and that's with 3 Y's. My channel focuses mostly on hair, natural hair, beauty, and a little bit of vlogging is in there. Outside of that, I am a banker. I do work at a bank. So, subscribe for more.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Anisha Adams. My YouTube and Instagram is Anisha Adams. I just do Jamaican-based lifestyle content, but all things Jamaican. That's it.
Okay. All right, good day everyone. I'm Latoya, Kamlani with Latoya. I'm shy for most persons who don't know.
No, man.
I'm comfortable, but I am a really shy person. I don't have a niche per se because I didn't see YouTube as something that I would want to do. A friend introduced me to it, and then I just started doing my videos. I focus on natural hair. I do my vlogs sometimes, especially hotel vlogs, because I love hotels. Right, guys. Outside of that, I'm a senior claims officer at an insurance company. So sometimes it's difficult to post certain contents because you don't want it to jeopardize, what you do with your work world. But I'm happy to be here, happy to meet you guys, and I know we can continue the bond as friends and family. And so thanks for having me here.
It's a speech for me.
Hi everybody, my name is Ashley Ann. My online name is Ashley Carla on YouTube. Yeah, no, it's not, Ashley Carla on YouTube and, all social platforms. I started off focusing mostly on Jamaican staycation type content, but I've kind of branched off more into more, as Anisha would call it, a Jamaican lifestyle type of channel and whatever comes with that. So that's me.
Nice.
Hi everyone, I'm Carrie from Our Little Bond. So first, when I started off, I had a channel called Different Sides of Carrie, and as you ladies saw in the group, that's the name I have on Instagram. However, I'm building my family channel, which is Our Little Bond. So what we focus on is family content, playing games together as family, how we can bond together, things that we do, different road trips and all that. So for now, I do have also my wedding video on it. So that channel seems to be growing more. The Different Side of Carrie, I do sometime. I'm gonna go back to that. But on that channel is mostly like natural hairstyle because I'm a naturalista. I do like fashion things as I'm an aspiring fashion designer. So I'll do like redesign clothes. So and I also have a business page. So I have a business page where I'm doing hair bonnets now, handmade, and you can get it customized so you guys can follow. What have a picture?
No. Hi girl. No, girl. Get the visa, then girl, I'm embassy line. Fix the visa. Hi everyone, my name is Shanique and I'm
I can't do her.
Hello everyone, my name is Shanique and on my platforms I'm exclusively Shanique. As the name relates, all I talk about is things that I like. I do a lot of online shopping, so you'll see me over by AliExpress. Sometimes I'm on eBay. I love to go on Shein as well, so you'll see a lot of that. I do go a lot of places, but I have a thing where I'm so afraid to take out the cameras in public. So I need to, yes, I'm really happy for this platform because it kind of break me out of that shell. Yes, I really appreciate the invitation, Jody. So, and I'm just looking forward to have a great relationship with you guys in the future, and then we can do a whole lot more of this. All right?
All right.
Hi everybody, afternoon. My name is Shari, also known on YouTube as Makeup by Shars, also on Instagram. I focus mainly on beauty. On my YouTube channel, I have a little bit of baby stuff, and I started to try doing vlogs. But it's hard. Girl, it's hard, real hard. Because when it is that I have to go out, especially to clients, and it's a lot. But I'm trying. But the channel really is beauty, but I'm trying to see if I can do other things. I don't want to focus on my daughter per se. I'd love to, but I'm a little bit sketchy where all that is concerned. But yeah, it's mostly beauty. As I said, Makeup by Shars, or Makeup _ by Shars. Yeah. I don't have all those fancy speeches, y'all. That's a whole lot of speech. Y'all made me nervous.
Hold on, guys. I'm going to set up my camera. Oh, shit. Hi, guys. I am Tashana, and my Instagram name is Miss Too Fine. Also on YouTube as Miss Too Fine. So initially, I started out YouTube because I had just started with makeup and I wanted to promote myself as an artist. So I used to do my own makeup, and then I just started branching off. So my channel is not one set thing. I vlog anything at all. So yeah, I don't have a long speech like everybody else. But yeah, you guys can.
Expectations for today.
Jody, I'm very shy. Watch the video. So I mean, my expectation for today, first of all, I'm really not as much as I'm friendly, I'm not really so open because some persons are very skeptic. But for today, I'm hoping to get to know you guys, and to be honest, I don't follow a lot of Jamaican YouTubers. So like when Jody did this whole group thing, I was like, oh my god, like so many Jamaicans.
This is just a drop in the bucket as well.
Right. So it's really nice to meet you guys, and I'm hoping to be able to check out everybody's channel. So yeah. So I'm hoping to have fun today with you guys and get to know each other more.
Yes,
behind the camera.
Thanks, everyone.
Hi, I'm Ornello. My YouTube handle is just Nello, and everything else on social media is as told by Nello. I do travel, lifestyle, and a little bit of medical content because I'm also a medical doctor.
Okay.
Yeah, so I get a lot of questions to persons who want to know what it's like to be a doctor and advice on how to go into med school. So that's mainly what I focus on. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Subscribe. Oh, I also blog. I have a blog that's astoldbynello.com.
Nice.
My content on YouTube is mostly vlogs, like travel vlogs locally, travel vlogs, and building, like building Airbnbs and that kind of thing. So that's what my content is.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Unfortunately, it started raining, so we had to head inside. So it kind of put a hamper on things because we had to be split up because there wasn't a large enough space for us to be inside together. So we're just at separate tables, but thankfully the rain eventually stopped and we got to go back outside.
Okay, when it comes to vlogging, I would say if you're anywhere on the island outside of Kingston, I feel like it's really easy to vlog. I feel like in Kingston people are very vulgar and they'll kick the camera out your hand like they literally
Really?
Yeah.
It depends on where you go. I've found
here you have to be a little bit more mindful. Just obviously you don't put the camera on other people without their permission.
Do we have your permission right now?
Obviously. And when it comes to vlogging, it just comes with time. You'll feel like more confident.
Yeah, the more you do it.
The more you do it. No one really cares to steal a camera. That's just my opinion, especially a vlog camera.
But I mean,
I don't know.
gone downtown?
In Kingston, you might be a little more skeptical. Which is true when you're in country or whatever it is.
No, you're still skeptic in country. I can assure you.
Really?
I've never taken my camera in the market ever, and I always want to. Because I'm
I
scared.
want people vlog there.
In the market. No, man doesn't
Them
market.
probably
I'm
are
living in
that
Malibu.
too. Because I've seen Sue go downtown and vlog, but she like could I do a little clip and then she put it
just a little clip she puts up and another.
In reality,
I am here with everybody who just finished eating and now we're taking pictures. Everybody is just
her phone she use, I think.
everybody just taking pictures now. So yeah. So everybody is here taking pictures. Hi.
One more, Jody.
Those behind?
Yeah, on your formation.
Yeah. Remember, those in the front, you don't go up, you go out. So that you don't block anybody. Then, I'm going to count you down. I'm going to count you down.
Will you make me very short?
Ready? Alright. Turn into them. You at the end. Yes. Yes, there we go. 1, 2, 3. One more. Come together again. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Fall it. Anita, you're falling. Nothing is below, you know, so we have to make. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright.
I got a gift.
The names are on the bag, which was autographed by me. So if you look in the bag, you'll see a box here which has tea things printed onto it. This was done for absolutely free. So the big up tea things. You can open your box.
What's there? They have an Instagram?
Yes. All the handles will be there. And these ladies are personalized candles.
Oh my God. This is so I love it. Oh my God. Oh, Jody. I love the friend. Come on.
Alright, moving right along. You'll see a black pouch in here. You can take it out. I'm just asking you ladies, please, to tag Lifestyle Essentials for blue light filter glasses sent from a small business owner. Guys, she didn't have to do it. But because I mean say YouTube and YouTube said me and she knows that we're real, she sent us this. I'm just asking you guys, when you post, just to give the guys some credits.
Send all the handles?
I will.
Yeah.
And also these are some paper, some tissue soaps. So these literally are soaps. You rub it under water and it dissolves. Oh my God. So these are perfect for your purse. That's you. So these are all from Lifestyle Essentials, and then this little thing again is from me. So
thank you.
You are most welcome, and of course stay hydrated with your Curel dry therapy lotion. You are welcome. So I'm just asking you ladies, please, just to post, tag.
consistently.
That is so cool.
Because the one travel video that I never really love is the one that people still watch and has the most views.
Which one?
The Zoe Tree one.
Oh.
I just like.
I think what
This
is
is the one
important
you like?
to responding to comments. I think people
Yeah.
like that engagement. Right.
Yeah.
So it's
I
good
do
to
engage with it,
respond.
just like sometimes we take a little while from it because whatever
I
all
try to,
streaming and
No,
all
but
that.
even
And
if you
then-
get back to it, you know, but you say what I hate is you post a video, a comment on a video, you don't say anything, you go back and you post another video and
Are you freaking kidding me?
No, but sometimes you can Google that. So
can
it's not
even
that Use your Googles, people.
Hey guys, so I just left the YouTubers brunch and I'm heading home. It was a good little vibe. I really enjoyed myself, enjoyed meeting everybody, so you should definitely go and subscribe to their channels. I have work later. Guess what? Can you imagine? I have work later, so I have to go home and change, and yeah. As you guys can see, I tried something new with my hair, going all afro-y. Like, what you guys think? You like it? Like it? What do you think? Try new things. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty nervous about going to this brunch, right? I mean, I knew Jody was cool. Jody is the person who organized it. Jody the Island Girl, that's her YouTube name, and I knew she was pretty cool. I mean, I watch her vlogs, I watch her channel, and you know, she was the one who organized, so you know, good intention, and try to organize and, you know, see how we can reach out and do things and foster community. But I was still pretty nervous about, like, you know, meeting people. I didn't know how everybody would be. Some people can be, you know, standoffish. Some people can just be in their own little corner. You know, people can also be in cliques if they know each other from before. And I was going, and I know that I probably wouldn't know that many people. Like, I would know their channels and I watch their channels, but I probably wouldn't necessarily know everybody, like, you know. And you know, watching someone's channel doesn't mean that you know them. It knows the aspect of their life that they show you. So I was pretty nervous. I didn't know how it was going to work out, but everybody was really cool. It was a nice vibes, a nice group of people. You know, some of us, you know, like me, it took a little while to kind of warm up and be more chattering and stuff like that. But in general, like, I liked when we had the nice round table talk and talked about tips and tricks and experiences and things like that. So I really enjoyed that. I enjoyed that aspect of it. So I liked, you know, meeting everybody. I must say I was a little disappointed with Coppers. Maybe they need to learn how to manage like a large group, because last time I went there was just me and Vanessa, and it was good. I mean, it was a nighttime setting, it was good, the vibes was good and everything, but maybe they need to know how to manage a large group. I mean, the food was still good. I mean, okay, it was okay. It wasn't like what it was the last time, I must admit, but the food was okay in general. I mean, the pasta I had this time, I decided to go with that, you know, oldie but goodie chicken, jerk chicken Alfredo pasta, and that was pretty good. I boxed it up to go, so you know, that's what I have, and I have food for later because, as I said, I'm on duty, so I can just bring it with me to duty and have food for my on call. Even though I had food in the fridge, I need to, like, So I used I need to like empty out my fridge of all of my leftovers right about now before them spoil. I mean, they're in the fridge, but you know, food still can spoil. So I need to do that this week. I emptied out one of the leftovers yesterday, and you know, it was still fresh and ting. And I actually need to go grocery shopping this week because it's a new month and I haven't been grocery shopping for a while. I'm going to use my I go to one of the places I go to is Hilo, and over the years I've accumulated like points using their rewards. So I encashed one of those points to give me a gift certificate, a gift voucher. I encashed one of those to get a gift voucher, so I need to go and use that before it expires. Apparently it expires in 3 months. Anyway, so trying to save money for March, you know. Girl is trying to save money for March and spend less, invest more. Y'all see how much money the girl has been spending. And I forgot to add that another thing I spend money on now lately is that personal fitness. So yeah, I mean, it goes under personal expenses and stuff like that, but my fitness and lifestyle, I got the personal trainer now, and I have to pay that every month. So I forgot to even mention that. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you guys the figure. I don't know, you can check out different gyms and places and see which works best for you, but you know, I'm trying to incorporate this healthy lifestyle, and I have to pay my trainer each month for personal fitness. And I'm thinking that I want to start because I enjoy dancing, and I haven't been to doing any dance classes or anything. So I was thinking of going to those dance classes that they have on Instagram. Well, they're not held on Instagram, but they're advertised on Instagram, like, you know, Dance Fire or Vibons or one of those places, and try and check out their dance classes to get myself back into doing something fun, like a fun activity and a fun way to exercise and burn calories and earn some money. Earn money, what the hell is going on with my mind? A fun way to exercise, burn calories, and lose some weight in this year, because honestly I've been slacking, and part of me don't like how my body feels. It's not even just about how it looks. I don't like how it feels, feeling sluggish and lethargic and tired and exhausted and overwhelmed, and it's not so good. Like when you don't feel right or well in yourself, you're not doing yourself a service. So I mean, a lot of people, for me, including me, exercise is a great de-stress and a great way to not just, you know, get physically fit but mentally fit. So I really want to do that and continue my healthy fitness habits. I mean, eventually I'm gonna have to step it up and do more, but for now it's a great place to start with, you know, going to my trainer 3 times a week and trying to do the dance classes. But yeah, and definitely want to lose weight and tone up the body and keep the body firm and nice and good as gold. Anyways, yeah, that is me and my chatting. Back to what I was talking about. I really enjoyed today's brunch. I went through all of that rant in my tangential way to say I really enjoyed the YouTubers brunch today. It was a nice vibes, good setting. I really enjoyed meeting everybody, and I hope this is not just a one-off thing. I hope we have more brunches or more events to meet YouTubers, as well as I hope that we actually, like, not just meet each other, hi, bye, thank you, but actually, you know, continue building the relationship with the people that we've met, and possibly do some collaborations, introduce everybody to your channels, and, you know, grow your audience and really help each other to grow and achieve our best as creators in Jamaica. I mean, it's hard enough being in Jamaica, even sometimes, to get like brand collaborations internationally, because, you know, everything come late, plus we have to pay customs, and then we have local creators who don't necessarily want to work with smaller creators. They want to work with the same large ones. So different things. I really do want more local creators to collaborate with smaller creators. And yeah, I mean, not because our channel is small or we're not as well known doesn't mean that we don't have an audience of people who trust our opinions and look forward to us and know that we give good quality, we serve quality content. So I really do want more brand collaborations to be a thing in Jamaica, especially for the creators. I mean, cost of living high, you know, cost of living high. We need the multiple streams of income, and I mean brand deals and brands actually wanting to pay and not just want to utilize us without paying us for the effort and the energy it takes to create content. It takes enough to create content. True, you don't know. And editing, because I mean every one of us as YouTubers were talking about how editing is such a pain. Like it takes a lot to go through the clips and decide what we want. So yeah, anyways, let me stop chatting and focus back on the road. I've been focusing on the road, but you know, let me just stop chatting later. This is Casper's big sister Jane. Hi Jane. Jane is my firstborn. Good girl. Good girl. You see, so she and Casper related. You see how the two of them behave? Hey Janie boo boo, my good girl. Look at me. Hey guys, so I am home. I changed, washed my face, clean up, brush my hair back, you know. Not going to keep them work with my fro, not yet anyways. Yeah, so it's time for duty, so I'm getting ready to go. I changed into my duty outfit. And you know, I fed Casper, the one, the only, the man himself, Casper. I fed him, and now I'm getting ready to go. I cleaned up my face, washed my face, brushed my teeth, cleaned up myself, changed into my duty wear, and now it's time to head out. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Love you. Casper, you going to miss me? You going to miss me? So I'm on duty and I'm eating my dinner, so that's Alright guys, so I just got home from working out at the gym. Here I am in my sweaty glory. I did make a stop before. I did stop at the supermarket to get some groceries because girl fridge bare and empty, and so is my cupboards. And there's a short holiday coming up, so I did go to the supermarket. I'll do a mini unbagging, I don't know, haul, whatever, in a little bit. I just need to cool off first because girl tired. So can you guys believe I emptied the first bag and thought I was recording all this time and didn't? So let us begin again. Here are some of the things I got at the supermarket. So I got some fruits. Now I know it is a lot more budget friendly go market, buy fruits, cut them up yourself, but I'm a woman of convenience and ain't no shame in this convenience game. So I just bought my pre-made fruit salads. These are like $200 and something, $300 for stacks. Yeah, seem pricey, but for me as a woman of convenience and timely manner, I got my fruit salads because I love fruits, just don't love cutting up fruits. And yeah, I'm gonna put this back in the fridge because the camera won't embarrass me on the road. God. I also got this almond milk because I love milk. Well, I love dairy, but I'm dairy sensitive, so you know, a lot of times milk activates my sinuses. I also bought this Boot protein replacement shake, but let me get back to the almond. So milk activates my sinuses, and even though I eat cheese and everything in between and sometimes drink milk myself, I'm trying to, you know, change my lifestyle, be on a wellness journey. So almond milk, this one is 50 calories per portion of 200 mils and it's 946 mils. And these are my Boost replacement shakes. You guys have probably seen them before, like when I'm post call and I don't have time to eat, or when I'm just I'm running late and I don't have to eat, I grab these. So I got it in the vanilla and the strawberry one. There's also a chocolate flavor, but I really don't like chocolate flavored stuff. I also bought tuna, lots and lots of tuna, because girl loves tuna. I really enjoy tuna. So these are the Brunswick, the spicy chili, spicy Thai chili ones, and you know, these are kind of pricey. I also got the Grace version. Oh, so many hands, so many things. So I got the Grace version of it, which is a little less pricey, but it honestly doesn't taste as good. It still tastes fine, which is why I bought it. I mean, it tastes good enough and I like it. I just think the sauce in the Brunswick one is a little bit more chef kiss, but this one tastes good enough, so I bought it, you know. As well as I bought the Brunswick tuna with sweet corn. I realized that I don't see this version in this size, so I bought this, even though, let me just put this down. I'm gonna put this down and say something. This and this are very similar in price. See the difference? This one is 142 grams and this one is 85 grams. Very similar in price. So you probably want to buy this one because you can get more bang for your buck, especially if you have other things doing. This is just because, you know, I like to, you know, have on-the-go foods, a little snack, and this is what I use for a snack. I would eat crackers and tuna as one of my snacks, or make a tuna tacos. So yeah, they're quite similar in price. This is like $90 cheaper than this, so I mean, you can adapt to the taste, support local brand Grace Kennedy. And so I bought both because trying to conserve but still want good taste and good value for money. I also bought some Soldanza snacks. So I love Soldanza. This, I'm in my bonnet because my hair is out and it looks a hot mess. So let me just get that out of the way. I also bought some Soldanza snacks. I like different flavor Soldanza. I like the ripe plantain. I like the one that comes in the yellow pack, which is lightly salted, and the one that comes in the greenish looking Caribbean sea colored one, which is like the sweet plantain. But I also like this one, which is the spicy one, which is a pepper sweet one. So I added it to the rotation because I don't like to buy the same thing. You get tired of snacks. So I added this one to the rotation. Bought 3 because I'm on duty soon. Bought some lettuce, a little, you know, small enough for me just for the week. I got some Scotch bonnet pepper, some tomatoes of varying levels of ripeness because I like to buy green ones so they take a little bit longer to ripe, as well as a nice red one, orange one, so that it can be used immediately. And I got some carrots, you know, like nice little shredded salad. So got these. Put them in the fridge in a bit. And I also got some cucumber and sweet potatoes, adding to the veggie salad situation that we're going on. I reckon make a green juice or something. Either way, I got it. Crackers because I'm Jamaican, and national again because I'm Jamaican. And I just bought the wheat brand one because I really like these. I know lots of people like wheat brand, but I enjoy this one, so I buy the wheat brand one. The only other crackers that I buy is like Excelsior, but I like these wheat brand ones, so I'm gonna stick to what I know. Stick to the love that you know. Again, sausage, because I'm Jamaican. Like, sausage is a part of a Jamaican diet, a Jamaican life. Sausage, frankfurter, all of that. It's a part of life, so I got sausage, tin sausage. more snacks because girl has duty this week and I like to have snacks on hand for when I'm on call. So I bought these greens. These are made by Holiday, which is like a Trinidad company, but I like these greens. And one of my funny story, one of my exes had introduced this to me like years ago, and for a while it wasn't on the market anymore. Like they went back and took it off, but now they're back and I still like them, so you guys can check them out. These are the garden herb. They used to also have this cheddar one which I liked as well, but I don't see that one. I only see the garden herb one, and this is pretty good. I also have peanuts, light snack, because I'm Jamaican and I grew up with my father, and my father you know, brought me into this, but I got honey roasted because girl is dainty as well. Flash the weave because you know, dainty. Empty out whole bag. Tin milk, because I'm Jamaican. Condensed milk, you know. It's a way, it's a Betty condensed milk. It's like a brand. It's Jamaican. Ramen noodles, because which apartment does not have one? Who doesn't have ramen noodles? Like they only had the soy sauce flavor, but so I picked up two because it's not really the one that I like the picante one, and I like the beef and chicken flavors and shrimp. But picante number 1, shrimp number 2, beef number 3, chicken, and then this one was all that was left, so I just picked up 2 because when you don't want to cook and you're in a bind, hello, ramen. And last but certainly not least, I bought some Lasco and some Salada. This is some coffee mix and this is some hot chocolate mix for when you're on duty. These are like my on duty stash. So like when I'm on duty, I just make these instant coffee or instant hot chocolate. Now mind you, at my workplace, you know, we do have like the mixed coffee and stuff. We don't have a coffee maker, we just have a kettle and mixed coffee, and the mixed one you can add in milk and sugar, which is usually provided by the staff or put together and buy these things. However, this coffee works like gold. It is so great. It is such a great coffee. And it really keeps you up and really energized, and it's just a sachet and it's very convenient, and I'm a woman of convenience, so yeah. And this I don't know why, but I really like chocolate and mint flavor. Like chocolate with mint together is like a great flavor for me. So I got them. This is for when I want to feel cozy, and this is for when I want to keep awake. Sometimes I can even mix the two and have a little, make it like I'm making a little Starbucks drink, like what that Christmas drink, peppermint mocha coffee. See what I did there? Okay. Alright, so yeah, those are the final thing. I also got, the last thing I got is like these free gels, which is like the budget friendly version of Halls. But yeah, like it's nice to have a little mint cough drop in case, you know, yeah, beat your chest 2 times because something is going on. So I usually have one of these. So yeah, that's the last thing I did. Bag is empty. I'm gonna finish cleaning and packing up everything, and then I'm going to head to bed. I'm gonna clean up and then head to bed because even getting up to this was a work. This was a workout in and of itself. If I remember, I won't make any promises because I don't want to lie to y'all. If I remember, I'll try and put the prices of these things on the screen, but God say I know it may not happen in this lifetime. Anyways, that's it for tonight. I will see you guys in the next clip. Alright, later. Good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday the 1st of March, the beginning of a new day, a new month, in the year 2022. So what are some of your goals and plans for the month? So I'm on my way to work, and today is a duty day. But yeah, today is a duty day, so I'm on call for obstetrics today for 24 hours, and thankfully tomorrow is Ash Wednesday, which means it's a public holiday, and therefore I will be leaving at 8 o'clock instead of continuing my day working. So tomorrow I finished at 8 a.m. Thank God for Jesus, glory be, and I can get to go home and rest and love up with Casper for the rest of tomorrow and prepare for Thursday. Alright guys, so that is me for now. I'll be on my way. I'm on my way to work, so I'll see you in the next clip. Also, mini skincare update. I've been using the products for a few days now. The pimple hair has gone down. So my skin is actually looking better. I feel like I'm glowing a little bit. Like my skin looks really good. Yeah, my skin looks pretty good. I feel like I'm glowing a little bit, and my pimples are getting a lot better. My dark marks are fading, so I feel really good. Y'all see this? Still awake. Anyways, yeah, I just finished the surgery, so bedtime. Guys, so I'm post call. The rapture has ended. Yay.
A woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene?
So here is all washed and deep conditioned, and this is how it is all looking. Fairly soon, so it's time to dry. So towel drying it. I have my hair in my towel, so I'm just gonna dry it. See you guys in the morning. So this month I am the floater resident, which means I replace any resident who is missing, and today I am in the triage area because the triage resident is off today. So at this point, I think I just finished seeing a patient, or I'm just about to see a patient, and I was giving you guys an update, but you guys couldn't hear anything under the mask, so yeah. Voiceover.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spending my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Hi guys, so it is a Thursday, March 3rd. I'm here. I came home from working out today, so let me just tell you what's been going on. So today, or this month, I am what is considered the floater resident, which means that I'm the resident who fills in for other residents who have the day off. So depending on what duty, the post call, when you're post call for some of the duties, you do get the next day off. And as the floater resident, so that there is no shortage or there's no lack of need, I fill in for those residents on the day off. So I'm doing that for the month. So my day today looks like, first I had a class, ultrasound class, ultrasonography. You know, one of the parts of being a doctor, especially about being an obstetrician, is that we have to do ultrasound, you know, check on the babies. So I'm doing an ultrasonography via my hospital. Then I had work, regular work day, which is in the triage. I covered for the person who was in triage, and then I came home, came home in time to go and work out, and then I had dinner, and now I'm here. You know, I'm here. I had a shower and I'm getting ready for bed. So I'm gonna just do a little bit of skincare, and you can do skincare with me. See if you guys are interested, and you just keep on watching. And you know, thank you guys for sticking with me about a week in my life. You guys seem to be liking this whole vlog week in my life thing, so I really appreciate you guys for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Casper, what are you doing, sir? Anyways, so I'm going to just start my skincare routine now. So the first thing I'm going to do is tone, and the tone I showed you guys in my last haul, which is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid. I also, just so you know, my tea is cooling, so I'm not going to take too long because I don't want my tea to be cold. Because before I went in the shower, I just turned on the kettle, and then after, you know, before I do my skincare, I mix my tea. So now I'm just waiting for my tea. Okay, so skincare, let's get to it. Glycolic acid, the Ordinary Glycolic Acid toner. I love it. It's my toner for life. Well, unless I find something better, it is the toner. I really like it. I like it, and the Thayer's Witchy Hazel one. But yeah, glycolic acid. So here it is. I need to show you guys, like, but I think part of the thing is I need to show you guys when I do other stuff. So here's my toner, like when I'm editing my videos. Would you guys be interested in seeing stuff like that, editing videos, and also when I edit blog posts, or want to comment to see like me doing contenty stuff? So here it is. I'm toning. So see, there's not much on my skin because my skin is clean like a baby's bottom. And I always go behind the ears because people always forget behind the ears, you know, and under the neck. That's part of my toning experience. That's where dirt hide, you know, dirt hide this up. Dirt hide in those places. So the next thing I'm going to use is my hyaluronic acid, which is the one that I got from Aratons. So I'm going to use that. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys have been noticing, but my skin has been looking a lot better lately. So, you know, products are working. But yeah, hyaluronic acid. Here. So super. Alternate between the mandelic acid plus HSA by The Ordinary or the retinol 0.5% in squalene. So I think I used the mandelic acid last night, so tonight I'm using my retinol. So tonight I'm using the retinol. Here it comes out in the dropper. I just put it on the bottle because this is a bit runny. See? And just add a little more to my hands. I don't know what's going on, but me just a glow. I just a glow. Me just a glow, so. Now, to be a little bougie, a little bit extra, I'm going to be doing gonna open my jade roller, but I'm gonna use this and do a little gouache shop. So I pronounce, yeah. Them claims that this help with circulation of other products and, you know, open up your pores, open up your circulation, so everything just looks good and better. It's some air. I don't know how true it is. I only do it sometimes, but this is what the people say. You always go up with the neck. How could I say keeping the same? Oh, oh. I said I changed, even though I knew I never could. I don't know any other words, but continue the skincare before my tea gets cold. Let's go. Y'all know the pre, it's almost finished, so I still need to restock, but I use aloe vera as my moisturizer. Aloe vera gel, you know, the pre, it has lasted me for like years. Maybe this little jar has lasted me for like over a year, almost 2 years. I use it like pretty much every day. I put on deodorant and I lotioned already because I didn't want to be ashy on the camera. So I'm just gonna put on some perfume and head to bed, have my tea, and then brush my teeth because after I drink my tea, my teeth are gonna feel dirty. So have my tea, then brush my teeth and head to bed. Oh my god, guys, did you know, or well, you wouldn't know, so this is Ariana Grande's what is this? Sweet like candy, because I want to be sweet like candy and delicious and delectable for bed. Yeah, so that's what I'm wearing to bed tonight. I need some new fragrances, but I mean it's kind of wasteful because I haven't finished most of the fragrances I have, so I don't want to be just buying things, especially because cost of living is high. So we'll see. But I do want, if anyone wants to send me fragrances or buy me fragrances, then much appreciated. Truly love you and appreciate it. Anyway, so that is it for tonight. Oh my god, my hair is a mess. So my hair is a colossal hot mess. I don't know what I'm doing with it. What are you guys' suggestions, tips, or ideas for what I can do to my hair? Some kind of braided style, maybe passion twist, braids. Should I cut it all off? Should I cream it, relax it, and just be like straight hair? Should I get a wig? Should I get a sew-in? What do you guys think I should do with my hair? Leave it down below. I would love to see what kind of styles you guys would come up with, because I really don't know, and I can't go around looking like Orphan Annie indefinitely. I feel like I'm Smarty Pitney, so my parents can't stop being embarrassed to road over my hairstyle. So what are some ideas or hairstyle you guys think I should try? Something new, something fresh, something different. Maybe like bring back the Rihanna bob, you know, those old, that when the early 2000s bob, like when the sun shine and shine together. Or should I get like, you know, some, I don't know, some crazy hairstyle? Just tell me what you guys think. Alright guys, bedtime. I'm so, I don't know, I need to start doing stuff and going out and doing things in these vlogs other than just, you know, at my yard. But I don't know, most of the time during the week I don't go anywhere. I mainly go out on the weekends. So that's the tea. But as I said, I do need to show you more of what I do at home, because most times when before I go to bed I decide to want to film, but I do other stuff at home. Like I read, I study, I work on content, I edit, I write blog posts, I edit my videos, I edit photos. So maybe I should show you guys a bit more of what I do to spice it up, sprinkle a little spice and everything nice in the video. So I think I should do that. But yeah, let me stop chattering, head to my bed so I can wake up to do the government work in the morning. Alright, that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next clip. That'll probably be tomorrow. Oh, final thing, Casperito, come here. Come Casper. Oh my god, why is he camera shy? Tomorrow guys is Casper's birthday, so tomorrow would be March 4th. So join me in saying a happy birthday to the one, the only, the man himself, Casperito. He's my baby, my love of my life. He has brought me so much joy in the little time we spent together, so I really appreciate him. And I don't even know what I'm going to do for his birthday yet. If I'm going to do something on the day or after. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. It's my baby's first birthday. I love Casper. Anyways, just leave it down below. Tell him happy birthday in the comments. He would really appreciate it. Even though he does not know what is going on. But he's my baby. And I would appreciate you guys telling him happy birthday, because he's my love. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. So this is hella late, but I forgot to show you guys what I got in my little swag bag from the brunch. So the first thing you see this nice decor bag, and it has my name. It says Nella, Nella with the heart, because a girl is loved. Alright, so the first thing in there is these. These are some blue light glasses, and I got them in this clear version. Some people, they were different styles. This is the version that I got, which made me look all studious, like, hey, how you doing, how you doing, how you doing. I think it looks like actual glasses, like, hey. And everybody got one because, you know, we are all YouTubers, which means all of us spend a lot of time on the computer editing videos, so we all got some light glasses. It's a great thing. I forgot the name of the company who gave us. I'm gonna look it up or try to remember and leave it in the link below so that, you know, I have an idea. Let me put this down back. Alright, let's put this down for a moment. Alright, so the next thing I got, you guys know the girl loves a candle. You guys know the girl loves a candle. So T-Things Designs, here they go. T-Things, they did a candle, and on the candle it has or at. So mine, let me just take it out of here, says As Told by Nella. So even though I'm just Nella here, I'm literally As Told by Nella everywhere else. On my website is As Told by Nella, Instagram, Facebook page, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, it's all As Told by Nella. So this is my As Told by Nella candle. It smells like, and the scent is fresh linen, fresh air. So everywhere else I'm As Told by Nella. So the scent is fresh linen, fresh air, and it's reed candle, and as I said, Teesprings Design. So this is the candle, and y'all know the girl loves a candle. The girl loves a candle. So yeah, cute. So next thing, we got these soaps. So these are some dissolvable soaps. So you put them and then you wash your hands, put them on the water, wash the hands, and the soap will dissolve. We also got some what is this? Moisturizer. We got some moisturizer, keep the hands soft and smooth and silky. And the last thing we got is this cute little keychain, like bum, 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 bum. But look at Casper, I could this boy. You should have seen him jump up ready for play with ball. Sir, you destroyed your ball, you will not be getting mine. Sorry. So yeah, I got this pom pom, so I can put this on my keyring, or I can put it on a bag or something. I can put it on my. Sir, this is not for you. Why are you looking so happy? This is not for you, dude. Not for you. So yeah, I can put it on my keychain, or I can put it on my bag. I can put it on my like bag that I carry all of my stuff in, or my go bag, my bag that I go on trips. So yeah, I can do that. I'm gonna put this away because Casper is getting a little too excited and thinking it's his and ready to fight me, and I'm not about to fight this dog. So yeah, those are the stuff that I got. I really appreciate it. I didn't expect anything, and I'm so happy as I got it. Like, oh my god, I got swag. It's so nice. It's so nice to be gifted and treated when I get things. So it's really nice, and I truly appreciate it. And thank you to all the brands and companies that, you know, actually sponsored us and believed in us. And thank you to Jody for putting on such an amazing event. I had so much fun with everybody, and you guys need to be supporting local Jamaican YouTubers and support me, of course, but support all the other YouTubers. We work really hard. It's not an easy road. It's not an easy road. I don't know the rest of the words right now. No, like honestly, Casper is about to fight. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna put this away where he can't reach you, because knowing him, he will try and find a way to reach you. So yeah, like I said, thank you to Jody. I really enjoyed the event, and I really appreciate you guys. And you guys need to sponsor all the other creators and sponsor local creators. We really appreciate your support, and let us grow to the woolly mammoth that is the international creators going, because we're doing the thing. We're doing the damn thing. Anyways, let me just go head to bed. Let me do my skincare and head to bed, because this boy is about to start. You about to lose your man. Well, no, not losing man. I don't even know what I'm saying. He's trying to start something. Don't start none, won't be none, Casper. Don't start none, won't be none. He clearly wants to start something right now, and I'm not about that life. I'm not. Pull up or shut up, Casper. Pull up or shut up. Don't pull up. Don't pull up. I would hate for him to pull up because I'm not about that life. Anyways, skincare, bed, let's go. See you guys. I'm gonna put this on.
Casper, it's your birthday. We gonna party like it's your birthday. We gonna sing. One shot for the birthday boy.
Casper.
Two shot for the birthday boy. I give it up for the birthday. Go Casper, go Casper.
Casper is paying me no mind.
Casper, go Casper. It's your birthday. Go Casper, go Casper. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. We gonna party like it's your birthday. Hey, one shot for the birthday boy. Two shot for the birthday boy. Three shot for the birthday boy. And let me hear for the birthday boy. Go, 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 go. Woo! Go Casper! Hey, go Casper! Happy birthday, Casper! Happy birthday, Casper!
So it is time for my workout. I am in my pink workout top and I'm in my workout pants. So yeah, let's get physical. Alright guys, so I just finished working out. I am drenched in sweat. I am so tired. I am so drenched. Seriously, tired.